Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. So, as part of this session, we are going to talk about the basic differences between let and var. The reason is, so far in our sessions, we used var and we have used a let in defining the variables. What is the difference between this var and a let? So, ideally, if you define a var within a particular function, that variable can be accessed within that particular function itself. Okay, and whatever the values that you have defined for the var can be redeclared. Okay, so whereas a let, basically within a block itself, you will be defining the let, and you can't access that let variable outside that particular block, and you can't redeclare those values associated for that. Let me create a simple example for that. So I have created a new TS file function example for var1. Okay, I'm defining it. So here what I'm doing is var a is equal to 10. Okay, var a is equal to 10. If a is equal to 10, then var becomes 20. I'm updating that a value to 20 here. Okay, I'm updating that particular value to 20 here. That's it. So if this condition is true, then update that particular value to 20. Okay, just done up to here. Okay, just done up to here. I have defined it within this particular function in line number 2. I was able to access it in line number 4 as well. Perfectly all right. Now example for var1. So when I run it automatically, the output 20 would be printed down to the console. Perfectly all right. So example for let1, let a equal to 10, and if a is equal to, okay, so here I'm defining if true, I want to execute it by default, hence I kept it as a true. Let a is equal to 20, console.log a. And now here, what I am defining is if a is equal to 20, then if a is equal to 20, console.log a. And I'm closing this one. So guys, what we have done right now, let me comment it out the var function, and I am taking this let function right now. So here I have defined the variable a inside this particular if condition. Of course, within a function, I'm trying to access it in another block. I have defined it in a one block and I'm trying to use it in another block. Let me try to run it and check it out. You are getting an error. Okay, that's fine. And additionally, not only this one, okay, not only this one, let me try to call this particular function directly. Okay, example for let1. So when I run it right, the let will execute successfully and it will not print any issues. Now, what I'm gonna do right now, let a is equal to 30, okay, and console.log of a. I'm trying to print it. It's throwing an error. As we have seen that the let values cannot be redeclared. That's the issue that it is showing it up. Okay, so this is the basic difference between a var and as well as a let, guys. Okay, thank you very much. See you again in the next lecture. Bye bye.